Hello everyone, please welcome and join Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty, delicious Suji fish pakoda. I'm using this fish. It's a Pollock skinless, boneless fillet. I put it into food processor and I make a nice smooth fish keema. So this is nicely grinded. 1 onion, 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic and green chili paste, half teaspoon black pepper and red chili powder, half teaspoon. Salt, cumin seed, 1 teaspoon each, half teaspoon baking powder. Then Suji, 1.5 cup. We're going to use water as needed. 1 tablespoon dry cilantro. To fry, I'm going to use vegetable oil. I'm going to bring everything into fish. Onions. As we put it in, just mix it. Ginger, garlic and green chili paste, mix it. Now all the dry spices. Black pepper, red chili powder, salt, baking powder, cumin seed, jeera, cilantro. We're going to mix it well. As all the spices are nicely incorporated with the fish, this is looking perfect. And now I'm going to bring Suji. And we're going to keep mixing. And we're going to add water as needed. 1/4 cup. We're going to mix it. And we're going to add some more water. We use 3/4 cup water. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to let our mixture sit on a countertop for 20 minutes. I'm going to cover it. So we're going to heat up our oil. So I'll fill it up. And we're going to use vegetable oil. We're going to cover it and we're going to plug it in and we're going to let our oil heat up. I set the temperature to 375. Once it's going to heat up, Suji fish pakoda, then we're going to lower the temperature. The mixture has been rested for 20 minutes. Mix it one more time. It's a good idea that when we put it in, I'm going to make 8-9 of them before we put it into our oil. So we got enough. Now we're going to put it inside. Now we're going to drop it in. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. And we're going to let it cook until they turn golden brown. Our Suji fish pakoda is nicely done. They are nicely crunchy. Look at these. So I'm going to make sure that I take out the oil. I have a paper towel on a plate so it will soak up the extra oil. And I'll start putting my second batch. This is the third batch, looking really crispy. Wow. And I'll bring it into the plate. This is the last batch. They are nicely golden brown and I'll turn it off and I'll take it out. Looking good. And let me share with you. It's a quick and easy Suji fish pakoda and very tasty and very delicious. And it's very crispy. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this dish, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day.